Hello, dear traders and investors. Welcome to the webinar of Felix Financial Consulting. The topic for today's webinar is potential Singapore stocks for April, May, June 2019. To know more about our company, you can go to the website www.felixresearch.com. Contents. So in this webinar, we'll be basically discussing three topics. The first, ending of 2018 for stocks, especially Singapore. Second, the beginning of 2019 for stocks. And at last but not the least, what stocks has been picked by us for coming months in Singapore market. So, ending of 2018 for stocks. Business sentiment has moderated slightly for the upcoming final quarter of 2018, ending the rising trend of the preceding 3 quarters according to a report. Last year was a black spot for global financial markets that experienced a big hit. On the contrary, the slide in prices had made stock picking more appealing. Now, the beginning of 2019 for stocks. So after a brutal 2018 in which equity markets took a turn for the worse, market watchers turned more cautious with their outlook for the first half of 2019. The depressed prices are giving investors opportunities to start scouting around and maybe start nibbling at certain counters that are seeing more real value emerging. The first stock pick for the day is DBS Group Holdings Limited. DBS have achieved another record performance in 2018 as net profit increased 28% from the previous year. You can have a look at the basic data provided on your screens like market capitalization, 52-week high and 52-week low. Other points to be considered are like biggest lender in Southeast Asia, rising interest rates and digitization. CapitaLand Limited. CapitaLand Limited shares are showing positive momentum over the past week as the stock has clocked in with gains of -0.81%. In taking a look at recent performance, we can see that shares have moved 6.71% over the past 4 weeks, 12.96% over the past half year and 1.39% over the past full year. For further data, you can refer to your respective screens like market capitalization, 52-week high and 52-week low. Mapletree Commercial Trust. Investors may be interested in viewing the gross margin score on shares of Mapletree Commercial Trust. The name currently has a score of 6.0000. This score is derived from the gross margin stability and growth over the previous 8 years. The gross margin score lands on a scale from 1 to 100, where a score of 1 would be considered positive and a score of 100 would be seen as negative. The low score of 6.0000 for Mapletree Commercial Trust indicates a top score for stability and growth, hence best-in-class assets in Singapore. You can have a look at the data provided on your screens. Netlick Ambient Trust. Netlick Ambient Trust, through its subsidiaries, provides a nationwide network that is a foundation of Singapore's next generation nationwide broadband network, over which internet access is delivered throughout mainland Singapore and its connected islands. The company also focuses on leasing telecommunication infrastructures to telecommunication service providers. You can see the rest of the data on your screen. Ultimately, profitability is the metric that matters for a firm and its investors. And hence, companies able to post consistent profits likely will see consistent share price growth as well. China Sunshine is one of them. Good recent results with consistent profits. Hence, this is the stock pick from our side. Singapore Tech Engineering Limited, also known as ST Engineering. Market capitalization 11.93 billion. 52-week high SGD 3.84, and talking about 52-week low 3.21. Accretion from its recently acquired Middle River Aircraft Systems MRAS will provide a platform for more stable revenue given the huge backlog. And at last but not the least, listed on Singapore Stock Exchange, Thai Beverage, better known as Thai Bev, is Thailand's largest and one of the Southeast Asia's largest beverage companies, with distilleries in Thailand, Scotland and China. Talking about market cap, 20.59 billion, 52-week high 0.88 and 52-week low 0.58. So this was the stock picks for Singapore market from our side. So with this, I would like to conclude this webinar and say thank you on behalf of entire team of Felix Research for investing your time in this webinar. By ending this webinar, I want to add a special note that this presentation was based on analysis done by various analysts, assuming some constant relevant factors which may vary with time. So we suggest you to consult us or contact us before you buy any share at any point of time. Thank you so much. For further information, you can contact us at 60154-877-0695. You can reach us through website, which is www.felixresearch.co, and you can email us at info@felixresearch.co. Thank you.